Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use your webcam in Streamlabs OBS. Adding a webcam is one of the best ways to make your stream feel more personal and connect with your viewers in real time. First, open Streamlabs OBS on your computer. Then, go to the Sources section at the bottom and click the plus icon to add a new source. From the list of options, choose Video Capture Device. This is what allows Streamlabs to access your webcam. You can name the source anything you like or just leave it as it is. Once you confirm, your webcam feed should instantly appear on the screen. If you want to hide your webcam at any point, simply click the small eye icon next to the source name. It's a quick way to turn your camera off temporarily. To adjust your webcam layout, click and drag the video frame to move it around. You can also resize it by dragging the corners. For example, move it to the bottom left corner to keep your gameplay visible while staying on camera. If you'd like to take your stream to the next level, consider upgrading to Streamlabs Ultra. It gives you access to premium overlays, widgets, and even multi-streaming tools. Right now, there's a special offer where you can save up to $10 instantly. Just check the link in the description or pinned comment. And that's it for this quick Streamlabs guide. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy streaming tutorials.